Let's get this train rolling. We've got a good, nice day today, so a lot of these guys are really getting after it today. I spend, especially if the weather's nice, I spend 100% of my time in the truck. This is my office for the Land Fund. It's my job, but I'm here for the farmers, just really making sure they have everything they need. I'm Stephen Ustry. I'm one of the farm managers for the LandFund Partners. I am their boots on the ground here in Arkansas or Louisiana or Mississippi, wherever the farm may be. I grew up in an environment like this. Every facet of farming was learned during that time, and when I went to college, I went more on the business side of it.
Growing up in ag, I enjoy talking farming with people, so I get a lot of opportunities to do that with these guys that I interact with on a day-to-day basis. And talk about sustainability and all those things, I think that's really exciting. I don't know, I'm passionate about it. The farmers want to be able to talk to somebody local. I think they want to be able to talk to somebody that can relate to them. So I think it's very valuable to have somebody in the management role that can help address those issues, just be a local presence.
We are working with the farmers, communicating their needs on the farm, any maintenance that needs to be done on the farm, any upgrades, leading the farmers into regenerative practices, showing them the benefits of cover crops, continually doing upgrades to the farm.
Well, when they bought the farm, the first thing they said they wanted to put grain bins up, and I was all for it. I've been wanting grain bins for years. It makes harvest much easier. You don't have to wait in line at a granary. And if you want to hold it later, usually the price is a little better. You can go wherever pays the best.
What I've always respected about Chuck is that he is a steward of the land, and it goes back to our core values at LandFund. Every acre that I look at is how can we make this acre better. It's not just looking at the ground and putting a farmer on it, it's how can we make that farm better. So anything I can do to help with the success of our farmers while adopting regenerative practices, if I can do that in my day's time, it's a good day.